I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gon' live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, doing no cap. Only God wants you, better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad,
Yeah.
baby, I'm bad.
I just wanna stay bad, stay mad. Chip on my shoulder cause they treat me like an outcast. I ain't gonna take that, stay back. I'll be swinging hard till the hits come in all caps. I ain't gonna lay back, pray that someone's gonna help me. Ain't nobody like that. I ain't gonna wait, that's all fact. Give me one shot and I'll never get the throne back. I'm sick of being cautious, I'ma go cause some pain, can't stop this. I'ma steal everybody's lane, call it shoplift. Sick of hearing everyone complain when they thoughtless. Taste the pain, it's like candy canes. It makes me go change into a better frame, into a better name. Society's insane, we all live for fame, yeah. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gon' live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, do it no cap. Only God wants you, better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad, baby, I'm bad. I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gon' live it up. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, do it no cap. Only God wants you, better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad, baby, I'm bad. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gon' live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, do it no cap. Only God wants you, better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad, baby, I'm bad. I won't obey. You cannot tell me what I cannot say.
I got some more stuff done to the boats. As you can see here, in the back I have the bilge pumps. I got all my pumps all set up and ran. All new hoses, new wires. I put some wires down here. I got a negative bus terminal, bus bar right there. That'll have some negative in. Be able to put some negative on there. Excuse me, connect all the negatives over there. As you can see here, I have, I end up getting my label maker, and that's probably hard to see there. My label maker, and I end up putting like manual bilge, auto bilge. This is an auto bilge pump right here. This is a manual bilge pump. I got it wide off from my pump out, my recirc pumps. I got my open and closed valves down there at the bottom. I'm gonna have a remote drain plug. That will be the next video. I ran all the wires up and around the back, put these wire clips in here so we can get those turned. See here that I end up connecting the I end up making these connections here. So what we'll do is go through and go ahead and connect these. And what I'm doing here, like I said, is just connecting the negatives, negative terminal wires. So these negatives will come in here, and you can almost go, you can put a couple together here, because they're going to be, you don't have enough room. I don't have enough space here for this particular style. So what we'll do is we'll put two together on one of them. If I can just get it started. All right, why won't you work now? All I'm trying to do is just get it started. Will you just come on, please? Screwdriver. There we go. So we'll get all these hooked up, and then what we'll do is we'll put a zip tie around them, keep them together, so that way they're not, oh, rats. But you know, you can do this and be able to, that way you have a terminal bus bar, and this will be your negative. So what we'll do is we'll take a negative from one of the batteries, and we'll hook it up to here, and then this will be your negative post. So all we would have to do back here now is run the wires from back here up to the console and connect those to the switches that we want. So like the bilge pump, the auto build, or excuse me, the manual bilge pump, we got the fill, we got the recirc, so, or pump out. There's going to be several different ones that we have that you could use for that. So like I said, you can definitely, I'm gonna have I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 left, and I got 4 spots. Okay, well, we'll just keep going. So we'll put this guy here. This will be the a little bit easier to deal with. But you know, these are the negative terminal, negative bus bar. There's a cover that goes over this. Oh damn nabbit. I will get everything cleaned up and get everything on here hopefully today. It's just not wanting to be friendly right now. Okay. But anyway, we'll get these in here. These will go to the oh no, spin it around. There we go. That'll probably work now. Nabbit. All right, anyway, that's pretty much it. We'll just I'll just continue to put these together. If I don't get frustrated first, I'll put these together here. And then, like I said, we'll take a negative, we'll take a negative wire and put it here so that way it can ground and be your common ground amongst all of them. So, oh my gosh. We get a common ground amongst all of them, it'll be a little bit easier to put in here. But I end up putting these, like I said, I end up putting these all so these will be the grounds. This will be the common grounds for everything back here. The bilge pumps, the fill pumps, the I'll actually have to make another ground I can make the ground go up front, I guess. Was gonna put a ground for the fuel. Just a matter of getting it to play fair right now. But once you get all these down and you get everything all connected, right? There's no power going to here. It's just like I said, it's a ground. And this is your this is gonna be your terminal bus bar. And then but as you can see there, we got it all done up pretty nicely there. I'll give you guys a better look here. Got them all connected in there. We're going to take, this thing off here. But so now these will all be wrapped together, so that way they're not just flopping around. And there we go. That'll be your neutral bus bar. Then we will connect. Oh, dang! Then we're going to connect these all these different ones here. Connect them up to the switch panel, which I'll have to make and do, and then we'll also have to do a manual drain or a remote drain plug. But that's all I got for today. Thank you for swinging by. As always, God bless. Talents. We out of here. Deuces.